Lordship, victims will be killed. They are out of their home on the street for last 6 months.
We'll set it down for consideration. Take down. Request for adjournment is made on behalf of the petitioner. That request list on.
Lordship, may I? At the order of this High Court on the same subject, which I have put. Now here, what is the issue? First of all, in this case, what is the issue?
We'll consider it.
Lordship. Now another thing, I am 78. I am for 58 years. I am in the field. Okay, this matter has been already decided by this High Court, which may be of interest to the Lordship.
ये citation ले लेते हैं, उसमें upload कर देना. हम देख लेते हैं उसको.
And here, what is the issue? First of all, issue is that they say entity don't have jurisdiction on environmental matter. That is the issue. First of all,
Right,
my submission is.
Right now, the question is, do we have jurisdiction to entertain a petition against the NGT order? If we hold no, they'll have to go to Supreme Court. We will not entertain a petition.
That is that part is my submission is vacate the stand here in detail. See the number of people suffering without treatment, without home. They will be killed. What is the urgency? As I read,
आपको छोटी डेट ही दे रहे हैं. आप कब आ सकते हैं दोबारा?
Sir, and I am appearing in the. I have already given application. My 2 cases are listed before Honorable Supreme Court.
कब लगे?
9th को लगा है, 2nd August को लगा हुआ है, and since in the reply of my IA, they have in one para they have raised a doubt on my integrity. Therefore, I want to give order of this Honorable Supreme Court about my integrity only. Order of the Supreme Court, which may add new knowledge to the court also. This is order of from the Supreme Court. Because in the reply, they have cast doubt on my integrity.
इसमें क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं?
दिखाना ये चाहते हैं, what is my bona fide? For last 20 years, I had been appearing before this High Court. High Court rules have been of this High Court have been made on my petition. And if the Lordship, at least, if Lordship can read this order of this High Court, that will enlighten this case.
This is in respect of the same accident.
Not same accident. This is various actions in the armed forces in the Ordnance Factory in Jabalpur. So here they have raised 2 issues. One is NGT doesn't have jurisdiction because it is explosive matter. So on the explosion and explosive matter, this is a judgment from this High Court under Environmental Protection Act. And this gives all the details required for this case. And the learned senior was the Additional Advocate General appearing in this case. He knows everything.
We are not doubting the credibility or otherwise of this person. This matter before your lordship is not on a very short term. Accident will not happens way far away in Harda district at 11 AM. NGT is sitting below. By afternoon, we start getting messages on WhatsApp and some videos and of the blasts. NGT during the lunchtime passes an order. Same day. FIR is registered at 7:30 in the evening. NGT in the second half passes an order which is impugned, imposing cost of a penalty of 18 crore rupees to be recovered. That is the issue. Under no law that can be done, my lord. That is what. Okay. It ultimately the order can be worse, my lord. I am not on that point. But it cannot be that NGT, my lord, looks up its WhatsApp and passes an order, my lord.
No.
There was no other source. FIR came to be registered in the evening. And by next day also we were getting videos. Everybody was getting it, my lord. It was a national news. But then, my lord, as the accident was happening there, NGT is passing orders, my lord, for recovery, and that is deprecated by the Supreme Court in Veena Gupta's matter. That we have quoted, my lord, my friend was just pointing out. So we are on a very, very limited point here. Not on the bona fides of any person, my lord.
No, so let us decide those points.
उसी के लिए हम बहस पे लगा रहे हैं,
उसी लगा दे सर।
उसी के लिए बहस पे लगा रहे हैं, बहस पे लगा देते हैं ना, सुन लेंगे आपकी बहस भी, इनकी
ठीक
भी
है,
सुन
तो
लेंगे।
एक दो दिन बाद अगर संभव हो।
कब आ सकते हैं आप?
नहीं,
आप कब आ सकते हैं?
अरे सर,
Local, my lord.
no, I am local.
Anytime.
Since it is not a, when you have proposal, I will, if you propose a date, I will tell you. At the earliest, because people are suffering.
Will it request for adjournment is made on behalf of the petitioner? At request list on 2 हफ्ते बाद लगा देंगे,
Right?
2 हफ्ते के बाद लगा देंगे।
It will be too late.
We'll give you a date.
No. What you consider victims, those who are without treatment, those who will be killed because of the delay of this court.
जुलाई की डेट दी थी, 22 जुलाई,
Why not earlier?
22 जुलाई।
No, if you suppose with the same people go to the emergency hospital, they say we'll give after 2 weeks or 2 months. People are waiting for the treatment. They are not getting the treatments for last 6 months.
Is there a stay granted by this court?
Yes, that is the issue.
What is the stay?
On the 23rd of April, an order was passed by.
That is the issue. We vacated the state here.
The order dated 23rd of April, may kindly be seen.
We vacated the state and here a detail. That is my request.
That stays with regard to disbursement of the compensation amount.
There is no state stay so far as the treatment by the state or other under the public liability.
This is compensation which is to be dispersed
My
to.
lord,
Yes, my lord.
pursuant to that first order of NGT, my lord. My lord, while my lord, they must get treatment, state is there to provide everything. There is a Public Liability Act which the intervener says, my lord, that can always be taken
कब
up.
लगाएंगे जल्दी?
But that will not stop, my lord. That should not stop.
The issue is only because all the compensation, everything has been stopped by this court.
15 जुलाई,
Oh, okay.
15 जुलाई।
But if it can be only thing is, we vacate the state. My request is, what is the reason for the stay?
ज्ञान प्रकाश जी, बहस सुन के ही कर पाएंगे ना।
नहीं, बहस सुन के तो कर पाएंगे.
15 जुलाई को रखते हैं बहस के लिए।
That is your discussion. My submission is only consider the condition of the victims who are not getting treatment in the rainy season, who are on the road.
That is why we are giving 15 जुलाई ज्ञान प्रकाश जी। 15
Your
जुलाई,
discussion,
15 जुलाई।